The psychopath has the image of a cold, heartless, inhuman being. Psychopath is a mentally unstable person, especially a person having an egocentric and antisocial personality marked by a lack of remorse for one's actions, an absence of empathy for others, and often criminal tendencies. First, be the quiet person and don't talk too much. It shows that you seem to be keeping an eye on your surroundings and are more focused than talking a lot. Second, when you talking to someone, keep the eyes contact. That helps you focus more on what is being said and look serious, not in a joking mood. Third, when you sit somewhere, keep staring at the one point or object without moving. Looking at an object with a sharp view can show the psycho side of yourself. 4. If someone insults you, says, "Okay," coldly, that shows you have a strong mental side. For example, you are not easily weakened by cheap and useless insults. This is the true side of the psychopath. 5. To make people think you're a psychopath, walk with your arms straight by your side and don't swing them. This shows that you are a firm and disciplined person. Immediately, you look more arrogant and indirectly become more difficult to play with. 6. If someone talks over you, just carry on speaking like they are not there. As if you don't care about stupid things and people who don't benefit you are just nothing. 7. If you want to make someone feel nervous, stare at their forehead. He will feel a loss of confidence because he is so divine and feel doubtful as if he has made a mistake with you. 8. To know if someone watching you, yawn, and if they are watching you they will yawn back. This is because, when we observe someone diligently, we will be easily followed by an act he does. For example, scratching eyebrows, holding earlobes, scratching nose and yawning. Small things like this are easy to contagion on other people. 9. When you're in a group and notice that someone is making fun of you, look at their face and smile a little. He will start to feel fear because of the influence of the psychopath's aura, which is no less like a madman. After that, surely he won't dare to making fun with you anymore. 10. When you think someone dislike you, ask them to do a simple favors for you and watch how they react. If they show a cruel face like glaring, rolling their eyes and making an irritated face, it's clear that he doesn't like you. Here are the psychopath facts that you can identify. If you want to become a psychopath, follow the facts that have been prepared in this video. However, be careful with a psychopath. Thank you for watching. I hope my sharing this time is useful and hope to see you in the next videos.